Yes, it is called convenience store in English.
Store.
Yes.
Okay.
We have more than 50,000 convenience store, konbini, all over Japan. So they always go to this convenience store, konbini, and they find it nice, cheap. It is very economical and very tasty. Why it is so comfortable? Because Japan is a safe country. People are honest. It is a crime-free country. So you can run it even in 24 hours. Namaste.
Hello, this is Miho.
And this is Danderi.
Let's do
Namaste.
Hi.
How was Miho-san today?
元気です。Fine, good.
What about your lunch? You had your lunch?
今日はおにぎり。
Onigiri.
おにぎりとお弁当2つ。
Obento to onigiri. From where?
From コンビニ
Konbini. Konbini te, you know what do you say in English?
コンビニコンビニじゃないのコンビニ
Yes, it is called convenience store in English.
Store.
Yes.
Okay.
From this convenience, the word is coming konbini.
コンビニ
Namaste. Everybody, every Japanese knows this konbini. We have more than 50,000 convenience store, konbini, all over Japan. Mainly three companies are there. I think Lawson,
ローソン、セブンイレブン、
7-Eleven,
ファミリーマート。
Family Mart.
うちの周りにももう歩いて行ける範囲で5、6軒ありますね。
So anywhere you go, you will find 5 or 6 just at walking distance from your place. And it is really very convenient. You find everything, especially
Very, very convenient.
very, very
そうそう、
convenient.
便利とっても。
Yes. What is there? What type of food is there? Food? 食べ物?
買います。コンビニで買います。
どんなものですか?
今日のお弁当とかおにぎりとか、あとあれじゃないですか？フライ
Fried.
フライスおでんとか。
おでんもありますね. Actually,
あとは
it is mainly for food. This
そう。
konbini is mainly for food because you have many single people coming from villages or from far places to the cities. And they're living there and they don't want to cook. And it is too tiresome to cooking. So they always go to this convenience store, konbini, and they find it nice, cheap. It is very economical and very tasty because they make it in big quantity and they can provide at a very low price. So food is very important for convenience store. Mainly they're selling food. Every day they sell a lot of food to Japanese working people, working class. But nowadays everybody, even housewife also, they don't cook. They just go to the convenience and buy something and then they're eating it. And then it is open 24 hours. 24 hours every day. No yasumi ne?
そう、休みなしでちょっとずつ買えるのがまたいいんですよね。
Yes, this is important that you can buy a very small portion, just enough for one person, so then you don't waste it. It happens if you go to a market or some big store, you have to buy maybe 500 grams or 1 kg and you have to keep it. But here you just buy for exactly for one day, for one time, and that is very important for convenience store. And they are selling it and it is almost similar, identical. Any convenience store you go, you will find same thing. 全部ありますね。同じもの、同じところにあります。They always believe that it is there, like you have toilet in convenience store.
お手洗い。
Yes, it is important part that you go anywhere, you will find this toilet is there. Very clean toilets are there. Then many things is there, but it is always tasty. And then they have veg and non-veg. For Indians, for our people, if they come to Japan, this is very important. If you go to a convenience store, you'll find the food with sign, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. They always, foreign travelers, they always find it a problem in Japan because vegetarian and non-vegetarian is different than India. In Japan, sakana, fish and tamago is vegetarian,
うーん
isn't it?
そうですね
So it is like that because they think that it is vegetarian. Sometime if you ask somebody, give me vegetarian, he will give you, maybe wrongly, not with any bad intention, they can give you a fish as vegetarian. So, but here now, well, we are trying very hard to fix what is vegetarian, what is non-vegetarian. Because of Olympics, they are putting sign, correct sign, that this is vegetarian and what is there. With the photographs also, that what is there in the non-veg. Sometimes non-veg also, some people don't eat beef, somebody don't eat pork, somebody don't eat
チキン
chicken, something. So they will put a photograph of meat item. So it is good for non-vegetarian also to see what is there in that food. They can learn. So I think that is very important for foreigners to come and check at convenience store. Namaste. Yo-san, do you drink whiskey or beer?
Yes
Where do you buy?
やっぱり特に夜中とかに買いに行くことになると追加で買いに行くとかの時はコンビニかな
Konbini?
コンビニ
Yes, konbini is very convenient.
convenient
You can buy beer, you can buy osake, you can buy whiskey, any drink you can buy. But of course, they don't sell it to the children. It will come in the machine that you have to show that you are adult, and they can ask for your some proof of your age. Similarly, tobacco also, cigarette also you can buy. Where?
Yes.
In konbini?
コンビニ
Yes,
買え
in
ますね
cigarette also. And what about copy or fax? Do you do? How do you do?
それもコンビニでやってますコピー機で
Copy key.
うん
Copying machine is also at convenience store, and fax machine is also available here. So all these things which you don't have at your house, you can just go to convenience store and have one copy, or one just you can send your fax directly from there. So this is also in Japanese they say benri, benri this day. And what about card, bank card or something? If you want to have draw money,
ああそれもそうですね気軽に下ろすのはやっぱりコンビニ
konbini.
どこにでもあるから
そうですね。
銀行より多い
銀行より多いですね。This, as you know, that convenience store are a lot of convenience store. These convenience stores are available. So more than banks. So it is sometimes easy to go to the convenience and just do your banking. There they have ATMs also. You can withdraw money at convenience store, and you can send money also. You can deposit money also, and then you can use credit cards also in these places. So it is very, very convenient for everybody. Not only this, what about your government bills?
支払いもそうですねコンビニの、あそこで普通にやってます
Yes, that is also all government bills.
Konbini.
You can just pay it there. They will stamp it and they will collect the money and they will give you a receipt. So convenience store is really in their daily life. Every day, if you go there, you will find it that it is very, very useful. Nowadays in India also we are getting it slowly, but it should come. Why it is so comfortable? Because Japan is a safe country. People are honest. It is a crime-free country. So you can run it even in 24 hours. There is no problem in the night also. So that's why one of the reason why so many convenience stores is there, because it is very safe country, and that is the place. Yes, you should go. And I think you must be sending baggage to airport or somewhere. How you send your baggage? Thank you.
面白いぐらいコンビニですね
It's more convenient. Takyubin they call it, and this courier service is very, very efficient in Japan. All over Japan, you can send anything, it will reach next day. So any convenience store is authorized to collect the baggage, and they will collect it, and then Takyubin people will come, courier service will come and collect it from there. So that is a collection place, and they will collect and take it, and it will be delivered to your place wherever you want. So it is also very convenient. Convenient.
今日メルカリの宅急便してきました
today also.
そうそうそうそう。
It is all in their daily life. Every day they have to make some courier service to some place because it is just reached next day. Next day, so all over Japan. But it is not possible in India to get it next day because India is a big country. Same is for America also. But Japan is not so big. It is also very big. Nagai ne.
長いね。
But you can cover in the next day. So that is also beautiful and very important. And then there's this gomi problem. You don't find gomi bako. You don't find the dustbin at all the places because of some security reasons. They have removed from many places. But you are sure that you will find dustbin at konbini. It is always there. Isn't it?
まあ、確かにありますね。
But you cannot, normally Japanese don't put their own gomi or dust in that dustbin. They have to take something there and then you put. But yes, they don't mind also. They don't say anything. But it is a normal Japanese things that they have to follow what is rule. So if there is any gomi, they will carry it back to their house and then throw it. So this is all, konbini is very important. And how do you find the working people over there?
あー
Staff.
最近は外国人が多いですかね。
Yes, this is also very important for our foreigners that young students, whenever they come to learn Japanese language or in any schools, they call it arbeit. Yes, extra work, they can do it. They are allowed to work for few hours every day, means some fixed hours they can work. And because it is 24 hours, any student can choose his suitable time and come and work there. And they learn Japanese also because they are dealing with customers, so they have to speak, so they get a time to practice. And for foreigners also, they nowadays mostly find people who speaks other language. Maybe when you come, you will find some Nepalese or maybe some Indian student or some Chinese or somebody Korean student working there. They normally understand good English also. So it is good for communication, easy to understand. So if you come to Japan, please check konbini store, konbini. Maybe after few days, this word konbini will be available all over the world. Like they have koban, which is international word. They have a tsunami, which is also international word now. Karaoke is also international. So maybe in few days, you find that konbini is also English.
Yeah.
Okay, so please come and use konbini.
Please come and use konbini.
Thank you. Namaste.
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 If you like our program today, please push good button.
Yes button.
See you again.
See you. Namaste. Namaste.